Performance reviews are essential in any workplace as they assess employees' responsibilities, contributions, and growth. Performance review meetings help to provide valuable feedback for improving performance, planning career development, and potentially increasing salary or securing promotions. These reviews also allow employers to align team goals with organizational objectives, show appreciation for high performers, and in cases of poor performance, address areas needing improvement. Performance reviews are more than just a feedback session. They can significantly impact your future with your employer. In some cases, they might even lead to termination if an employee consistently fails to meet expectations. Follow the tips in this video to turn your performance review into promotions. Understand your job role and past goals. Start by reviewing your job role and past goals. Review the job description for your current position and any previously set performance goals. Reflect on your responsibilities, how you've worked to meet them, and where you've exceeded expectations. Example: if your goal last year was to increase sales by 15%, assess how you approached this goal, any strategies you implemented, and the results you achieved. Track your contributions and achievements. Keep a record of your accomplishments throughout the year. Include specific examples and challenges you faced as well as how you overcame them. Example: document projects you contributed to, quantify outcomes or note improvements. For instance, managed a project that reduced client onboarding time by 30%, increasing customer satisfaction scores by 15%. Align your work with team and organizational objectives. Be prepared to explain how your work has supported your team and the organization's larger goals. Be specific. For example, I contributed to the launch of a new product by leading a design team, resulting in a 20% increase in quarterly revenue. Gather evidence of your work. Evidence strengthens your case. Compile emails, reports, project summaries, and positive feedback from colleagues or clients. This documentation is crucial for demonstrating your value, especially if some of your contributions went unnoticed. For example, include an email from a client praising your quick response time, or a report showing your team's progress under your leadership. Reflect on past feedback and show progress. Review last year's feedback, focusing on areas that needed improvement, and be ready to discuss how you've addressed them. For example, if time management was a previous concern, explain what steps you've taken to improve. I enrolled in a course on time management, and I now organize my tasks by priority, set deadlines, and proactively communicate if I foresee any delays. Engage in the review conversation. Approach your performance review as a two-way dialogue. Prepare thoughtful questions to show you're invested in growing with the company and aligning with its future goals. Consider questions that reflect a proactive attitude and a desire for personal growth. Examples of questions include: what skills should I focus on developing to align with the team's upcoming goals? And are there any upcoming projects where you see my strengths contributing significantly? Anticipate feedback and prepare action plans. Expect constructive criticism and be prepared to discuss how you plan to address areas needing improvement. An action plan shows that you're committed to continuous growth. For example, if you anticipate feedback about delegation skills, prepare a response such as, "I understand that delegation is an area for improvement." To address this, I plan to schedule regular check-ins with team members and gradually assign more complex tasks to build their skills and distribute workload effectively. Case scenario: bringing it all together. Imagine Ariel, an operations manager in a healthcare company, preparing for her annual review. She begins by reviewing her job description, noting her responsibilities, and reflecting on her set goals, such as improving project completion times. She tracks her major contributions, such as implementing a new project management tool that reduced project delays by 25%. Ariel gathers evidence of her accomplishments, including client emails and performance metrics, to validate her efforts. Reflecting on last year's feedback, she notes she was advised to improve her communication with stakeholders. To address this, she enrolled in a communication course and has since implemented regular project updates for her clients and team, receiving positive feedback. On the day of her review, Ariel comes prepared with questions to foster a growth-focused conversation, such as, what leadership qualities are most valuable for our team's growth? How can I better support the company's strategic goals in the next year? Her thoughtful preparation and proactive approach impress her manager, setting her up for a positive performance outcome and potential career advancement. By following these steps, you can navigate your performance review with confidence and purpose. positioning yourself as a valuable and growth-oriented member of your organization. Subscribe, share, and like the video to grow our network of informed workers. Come back to Workplace Wahala Solutions for more tips and strategies on how to deal with workplace issues. Feel free to share your workplace drama and engage in the conversation.